Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to summarize articles with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now click on Try ChatGPT. If you want to get effective summaries from ChatGPT, you can structure your questions. Here I'm gonna show you an example of how to summarize articles with ChatGPT on a specific topic, like an article titled "The Benefits of Mindfulness Meditation." So let's get started. Here I'm going to show you some points. You have to follow these tips and tricks. So, number 1, simple summary request. Example or question: can you summarize the key points of the article "The Benefits of Mindfulness Meditation"? Search your answer. Here is your answer. Number 2, detailed summary. Please provide a detailed summary of the article "The Benefits of Mindfulness Meditation" with main points, supporting argument, and example. Let's check it. Here it is. Number 3, summary for specific audience. Example: summarize the main points of the benefits of mindfulness meditation in a way that's easy to understand for beginners. Let's go for the answer. Your answer is ready. The last one, number 4, bullet point summary. Example: can you summarize the benefits of mindfulness meditation in bullet points for easy reference? Let's go for the answer. Your answer is ready. So, each of these example prompts and responses can help you get a summary that fits your needs for any article topics. I think this video will help you a lot. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.